place. Sit. Come. Come. Sit. Place. Sit. Good. It's about a 40-yard memory blind. It's a heavyweight canvas bumper. Like the canvas, it holds a little bit of scent. Like the heavy ones, it gets developing their neck muscles. As long as they'll pick it up and carry it, I'll use heavier and heavier dummies on puppies. Good girl. Good. Chill. Chill. Okay, what we've got out there is about a 30-yard memory on a immobile homing pigeon. It's a good live, strong homing pigeon. Good girl, Jelly. Good. Good girl. Sit. Oh, you're such a good fall. Jelly. Giving her a pretty easy time of getting down there and getting it because I want her to deal with the flapping well. She's used to picking them up and she's dealt with flapping before, but just want good positive stuff with the puppy. Good girl. Good girl. You're carrying that bird so nice. Give. Sit. 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 Good. All we're going to do is just toss this in. Let her see it. Let her charge into some cover with some excitement. Now, so about a step close to sit. Sit. Good, good. Good boy. Good girl. Here, Jelly. Good girl, Jill. Hey, 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 hey. Good girl, Jelly. Come on. Good boy. Good girl. Good girl. Come on. Good boy. Good girl. Come on. Good girl, Jelly. Good girl. Oh, you two are good too. Yeah. Here we go. Here we go. Here we go. Good girl. Good girl. Good puppies. Good.